Hello, today I would like to show you this system that I'm going to be using for my waste gray water from a portable 12-volt sink, completely off-grid installation that do not have connection to the sewer, but it can be used for RV, for camping application or for a tracker. And I'm going to show you two main components that I purchased, and in my opinion it's going to create a absolutely beautiful and professional looking setup. This system got three pieces that I purchased separated from different companies. We've got a water canister. We've got this beautiful metal bracket that you are going to be mounting onto wall, or if you've got a RV or a truck, you can mount it very securely. And you've got included that tape, so you can go like this and wrap it so it's not going to be moving. Here you've got a hole. Let me take a look how this is going to be. So basically you go like this and you zip tie it, and we've got a very secure mount. Then we've got that canteen that fit perfectly, and as you can see it is a drinking water safe. It's got 10 liters. Here is company. You can purchase a bigger unit that is going to be taller, but it's going to fit into the same bracket. So if you've got a larger need, then no problem, you can go with a bigger unit. As you can see, that's what looks absolutely beautiful, nicely secure. It's not going to be moving anywhere. I choose this water can because of the standardized water inlet. This is a DIN61, and that means you can purchase a lot of different accessories that are related to camping just by saying you need a DIN61, and you are going to get a matching thread. On bottom you've got a second hole that you can either plug by placing a cap or use a nice water tap. And at the very beginning I was thinking the company forget to sell me the tap, but it is extremely smart, and as you can see there is a hollow space in the can, so it's completely flush. And we've got here a cap, a plug that I'm going to be using because I don't want here to have a tap. You screw it in and it makes a nice plug, and it's nicely secure with a rubber gasket. But if you decide you would like to use it for just a water, here you've got a regular tap that looks like this. Same idea. We've got a beautiful gasket and you can open it or close. Absolutely beautiful, and you can use it for washing your hand. And it goes absolutely flush. You can change this anytime you want. And as I told you, now we are going to take a look at completely different product that was from a German company called Comet. And it is a sewer pipe that got that DIN61 thread. As you can see, it's make absolutely beautiful. We've got a gasket. We have ability to undo it, and you can cut the hose to fit your need. You can route it through like a plastic container. Here you can take a look. We've got a gasket, and the most important part is that element that is going to fit absolutely perfect into our container. And you can go like this. Let me remove that so you've got a better picture. As you can see, this is the perfect size. And now you can go like this, and you've got a very secure connection. And because the hose is so big, that is going to also allow air, so there will be no problem. And in my personal opinion, that looks absolutely beautiful. And that part you can always undo. That part can be removed, and you can cut the hose to length that you need, and you just screw it in like that, and that part go into your sink or into your other place where you've got your gray wastewater. What is a gray wastewater? It is a water that is not contaminated by a fecal matter, but at the same time it is not safe for drinking, so it do not need to follow a very specialized protocols, and depending on the country you can put it like into a garden. So let me grab it as is, and let's try connect it to my sink, and let's give it a try. Can is mounted on the wall, as you can see, very secure. It fit perfectly to that metal bracket. I use the cap to fill the plug. It's striped down. We've got our DIN61 millimeter cap. I attach the drain hose. I put a small amount of silicone to make it watertight, and we are basically ready to try. Let's try to clean my hand using this Tealwash 12-volt sink. It has a water compartment and DC water heater. We just open that element. We open our water faucet. Then we grab some soap, and we can nicely clean our hands. It can be done completely off-grid from a DC voltage, and since we've got our drainage over there, we do not need any hookup. So as you can see, we nicely clean our hand. We've got some water, some soapy gray water. We grab that bowl and we go upward, and I'm going into the drain, and it beautifully go into the tank. Absolutely great. Let's take a look at different angle. It went absolutely beautiful. Everything is dry, and it nicely flow into the container. So this is how you do it. I'm very happy with this setup. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.